What do you do when you have issues with your hair? The first thing that you must know is the fact that at some point in your life, there will be hair problems, and you should at least be aware of this. A healthy lifestyle may help you in some ways in dealing with your hair problems. In this video, we'll look at some of the most common hair problems and ways and means of getting rid of them. Dandruff. Dandruff is actually caused by an infection, a poor diet, or if you are having a sluggish metabolism. When dandruff occurs, the skin of your scalp peels off and starts flaking. This may even occur due to poor hygiene, but not always. Apply coconut oil and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash your hair thoroughly with a shampoo. Aloe vera is an antifungal plant. Apply it to your hair and let it set in for a while. Then wash with a good anti-dandruff shampoo. Dull and dry hair. When you do not take good care of your health and hair, your hair will tend to lose all its shine and luster. Your hair can get dull and dry due to the lack of essential moisture. So what can you do to avoid dull hair? Make a mixture of a ripe, mashed avocado and whisked eggs and apply this to your wet hair and shampoo as usual. Massage your dry hair with some butter and leave it on for some time till it covers every hair strand. Shampoo and wash your hair thoroughly. Hair loss. Hair loss can be caused due to hormonal imbalances or also due to genetic factors. Apart from this, hair loss can also be caused due to other factors, such as medical treatments and due to side effects of certain medications. Warm some jojoba oil by rubbing in your palms and thoroughly massage your hair before a bath. Regular use can strengthen your hair follicles and stop hair loss. Apply onion juice twice a day for a few weeks. For best results after application, let it stay for 30 minutes before bath. Split ends. When split ends occur, the damage can be caused anywhere through the length and even right in the middle of the hair. The reasons for split ends are many, which can be physical stress, mechanical, and environmental factors. If your hair is weak, split ends can be common. Apply egg yolk and olive oil mixture as a mask to your hair and let it set in for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off with a good shampoo. Mash a ripe papaya in a bowl, then apply it thoroughly to your hair. Let it stay on for some time and wash it off. Greasy hair. Too much oil in the hair is obviously harmful to the hair, but too little oil is not too healthy as well. Therefore, the perfect balance of the right amount of oil is needed for perfectly healthy hair. Apply coconut oil to your hair just before shampooing. This ensures that you get conditioned naturally and does not get too greasy. Add aloe vera and lime juice in a cup of water and mix both thoroughly. Use this mixture on your hair and wash it with shampoo. Frizzy hair. This occurs when your hair reaches out for moisture in the air and in turn leads to hair frizziness. This can usually occur due to humidity in the air, especially during the summertime. After shampooing, pour some apple cider vinegar mixture to your hair and let it set in for 30 seconds. Then rinse with cool water. Pour some olive oil to a mashed avocado. After shampooing, apply the mixture in your hair and let it sit for 30 minutes. Gray hair. Hair becomes white when the pigmentation cells are no longer produced for hair. The rate of graying of hair can have genetic reasons, and there can not be much control over it, but there are ways for avoiding gray hair. Boil a cup of water with black tea and some salt. Cool and apply it to your hair. Mix almond oil and lemon juice. Massage and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Lack of hair volume. Improper hair care and health issues can lead to a lack of volume in the hair. Too much stress can also lead to a lack in the thickness of hair. Apply aloe vera mask to your hair. Let it stay on for 30 minutes and wash it with shampoo. Repeat this regularly for thick and strong hair. Whisk a few eggs in a bowl and mix well. Apply as a mask before shower. Let it sit for some time and wash thoroughly with a good shampoo. Remember, no matter what age and time of your life you are at, you will come across some hair issues. Always try to use natural remedies and the recommended products for your hair. And if you still need help, do not hesitate to consult a specialist. Thanks for watching.